Hello, my esteemed viewers. Welcome back to my amazing channel. Today, we'll be looking at some of those criteria some of those criteria that you can meet up for you to be able to monetize your Facebook account. Okay, so let's quickly go into that. You know what? Your Facebook must be this normal Facebook icon. Don't use light once you want to check up to your. So don't use Facebook Lite. What we are going to look at today is how many exactly numbers and watch hours that you need to have for you to be eligible to monetize your Facebook page. So what we'll quickly look at now is that before we go into all that, I want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Don't forget to also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any amazing video that will be able to transform you, it will get you immediately. So first thing you must do is that you must have 10,000 followers. I dropped a video earlier on how you can quickly meet up with our 10,000 followers, and also you will must have a 600 watching hour time. Okay, and don't forget there are some people that can monetize their Facebook even when they have 4,000 followers, even when they have 4K followers. On those people, maybe your video you meet up with a watch hour time, you have a lot of videos, a lot of people does engage on your Facebook, so you quickly be a kind of considered for monetizations. Okay, so if you have your account already and you have done the necessary thing, like now you click on your icon. If you click on your icon, you go to view tools. Okay, you see, because these few days I haven't been concentrating on my channel. You see, post has reached 13.5k, engagement is 2.5k, impressions is 36k, and also new followers for the from the previous 28 days is 17. Okay, so and currently I have a total followers of 5,032. Okay, so there are a lot of people that can as you can see, if you have if you have met up with all of this, you just scroll down, you see fan engagement tools, don't mostly bother about this, moderation assist, and monetization. You see, now I have been given the monetizations icon. Okay, before it wasn't here and now it's here. So in a soon time now, this very channel that I'm working on, this very Facebook account that I'm working on will be eligible for monetizations. Okay, now you quickly look at it. Let's look at the monetization and see. Wow, you see. So in a soon time, some of those thing here will be now viable. So this very one you're seeing here is for the Facebook the review. It also generates income and there are others. So in a soon time now, all this will start displaying and we'll all know where we are heading to. So if you find any value in this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop any video, it will get to you immediately. I also ask you to please share the videos so that a lot of people can follow me, a lot of people can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and by God's grace, we will both gain a lot. So thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.